and welcome to Business News You Can Use, a monthly segment on DPTV that highlights the business community in Deer Park. My name is Debbie Westbeld, and I'm the Economic Development Administrator for the City of Deer Park. And today we are featuring Mr. Appliance of Deer Park, which is now open and ready to serve the Deer Park, Pasadena, and LaPorte communities. The owner is Greg Berry, and his employees are highly trained professionals that provide expert residential appliance repair and maintenance services for the appliances in your kitchen or laundry room. They also do light commercial appliance repair. They have upfront pricing, so they charge by the job, not the hour, and their work is guaranteed. Mr. Appliance is actually a national appliance repair system with more than 290 locations throughout the United States and Canada, and they're consistently ranked among the top home service franchises by industry experts. Schedule your repair today by calling 281-603-1392. For more information, visit www.mrappliance.com/deer-park or find them on Facebook. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on Business News You Can Use.